Hello teacher, my name is Kunthi. I am a student second year of O3D AC Graphic School. Today I would like to present you about human and cheese game modeling. This is my reference photo, front view and side view. I start from 3D. There are mouth, nose and eye. I start from grid for create mouth, and then I go to create eye and nose. After that, I just connect line from mouth to nose and connect line from nose to eye. And after, I go to create an ear with another scene because ear is difficult and hard to create than other area. After I finish ear modeling, I combine with head. So I go to scrub geometry tool for help my line because scrub geometry tool can have my line is smooth and good looking line. So after I use mirror geometry tool for mirror my head. Now I finish my head modeling, and then I need to create body. I have sketched front and side view, so I import both of reference to front and right view. And I start with polygon cylinder and I setting subdivision axis equal x and subdivision height equal 4. And after I go to setting and text gray to make my polygon like glass that can make me easy to see the shape of my reference. So now I need to modeling hand, and I use polygon cylinder. So I just setting subdivision axis equal 6 and subdivision height equals 6 too. After I finish modeling hand, I go to modeling a leg, and I use polygon cylinder and I setting subdivision axis equals 8 and subdivision height equals 6. Now in this step I use polygon cube to create hand, and I setting subdivision width equal 1 and subdivision height equal 2 and subdivision depth equals 4. And next I select the face like this, and I go to the word keep face together and I set it off. And then after I finish my hand model, I going to combine my hand with the arm. Now next to foot, I create foot by using polygon cube that I setting subdivision width equal 2 and subdivision height equal 1 and subdivision depth equal 3. And I combine the foot with the leg by that I go to edit mesh. I use the merge to center for combine foot with leg. I go to mirror geometry to mirror my body, but I have the problem with the vertex in the center of my body. So I go to polygon mirror and I set it to 0.010. When I combine the body with head, I have one problem that I see the line around the neck, so I want to know what's wrong with my model. And I go to lighting and I text on the word to side lighting, and then I see the black side of my head, and I go to normal and use the word reverse. Now I finish with my human modeling. Now I will going to show you about the cheese game modeling. I have my skate reference photo and I import my photo reference to front view. Now I will show you the processing of pan model. I use CV Curve tool to drawing the shape of my reference photo. And after I go to surface and I go to revolve. Now I get nurse model, but I want to make it to polygon, so I go to modify and choose the word convert from nurse to polygon. Now I finish with palm modeling. About the rock, I use the same way of create palm model, but on the top part of rock, I select first like this and extrude it up. Now next to Nike model, I use create polygon tool to drawing as the shape of my skate, and then I select first and extrude. I add more line and connect the line, and then I select the face in this area and extrude it. It's just the style of my nice model. Go to next step. I want to smooth my object because I want to make my object have more line than before. Now I go in to select the face at the back of knife and I extrude it up to create hair of knife, and I use X and select the line like this to be a style of my nice hair. Now I combine my knife with the under part. About the bishop modeling, I use CV Curve tool for create, but the special place is on the top of bishop. It's difficult to create, so I use polygon cube and I move polygon cube on the top of bishop, and I go to mask boolean and I select the word different, and then I connect the line around it and go to next step. I go to create queen. About the queen, I also use CV Curve tool to create the same with the pan, but at the top of queen I select the line like this and I push it down. Now I go to create king model. King model, it is easy to create than other, so I just use CV Curve tool to create it like palm model. Now my chess game and my human modeling is finished. Thank you for your watching.